Aru. Hey! He has committed an abomination. Aru. To fiakwa. I know you see most of these things when you watch Nigerian movies. Hello everyone and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Choma. Today we're going to talk about Aruala. That's abominations. What are these abominations in Igbo land that people commit and they are being asked to appease the gods or moved out of the community? According to our ancestors, Aruala or abomination is a violation of divine law. In this divine law, we have the law of creation, which is Igbo, the law of Allah, that's the law of the land, and the Ofo. So when you violate these three laws, these three parts of the divine law, which is the Igbo, that is when you commit an Aruala or an abomination. So how do we know about this Iwala? We know about this Iwala, that's this law, these divine laws of the community, by consulting the elders and people of the land. So if you go to a particular land, you have to consult the elders. If you're a stranger to a particular land, you have to go and see the elders, or you ask the people, what are your abominations? What are your laws? You have to know these laws from the people that live in the community. So I said this divine law, that's this law is Igbo, is divided into three: the Igbo Okike, the Iwala. The Igbo Okike is the law of creation, the Iwala, and the Ofo. But today we're going to talk about Iwala. What are these Iwala? They are the laws of the land. Before settling, the ancestors made an agreement with the land, and they included their descendants. If it is violated, Allah will destroy the people. So before our ancestors settled into any land they went to, they made a pact with the land for them and for their descendants. So if this pact is being violated, it becomes an Unsuala. Unsuala is a spiritual desecration of the land. So the land cleanses itself from the unholy. So if you commit an Unsuala, an abomination, an Aruala, the land cleanses itself by punishing everybody in the land until it is appeased. So examples of this law in most Igbo lands, most of them, if you go, it's most Igbo lands, you have these laws, this Iwala. Number one is that one cannot commit incest. One cannot commit incest. You cannot sleep with your blood relation, your brother or your sister. You can't have sexual intercourse with them. So it is an Aruala. It is an Unsuala. It is something, whenever you hear such a thing in Igbo land, people close their ears. They don't want to hear it because it is very bad. Number two, one cannot commit murder. You cannot kill somebody in Igbo land. You cannot kill somebody. Warriors that used to kill people used to go and. Number three, one cannot commit suicide. As an Igbo person, suicide is an abomination. It is an Unsuala. It is an Aruala. You don't commit suicide. Number four, you don't commit violence against the Osu. That's the children, the children of the gods of the land. The children of Allah, that's the Osu, and pregnant women. You don't commit violence against them. It is considered an Unsuala, as an Aruala. Then number five, those who hold the Ofo must uphold it. If you are holding an Ofo, you must uphold it. If you don't uphold it, it is going to be an Unsuala. It's going to be an abomination. If you're not upholding, if you don't speak the truth that you have swore to do by holding Ofo and other things you're supposed to do, you must uphold these principles. If not, you're committing an Unsuala. Then for communities, you do not kill some sacred animals and cut down some sacred trees in some communities. When you kill some sacred animals, in some places, if you kill a python, If you're working and you kill a python in the community, you have to appease the god. You have to cleanse yourself. The land has to be cleansed because you have done something like that. And all these things happen based on history. So these are the Nsala. There are some trees that you don't climb. There are some trees that you don't throw stones at. So those things are Nsala. They are abominations. If you commit any of them, you have to go and atone and cleanse. The land has to cleanse itself. You have to offer sacrifices to God to cleanse it of the abomination that you have committed. So with time, I will go further into our traditions. For you to learn Igbo language, you have to know about our traditions also. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kemesia, God